Oh, well, happy fucking Sunday. There's some shit. I spent so much time this morning fighting with the fucking GoPro and the phone and trying to get it to transfer media, and I don't know what the fucking problem is. Things are going fucking sideways on that, and it keeps overheating the GoPro, which I don't know why it's overheating the GoPro. So, I tried different batteries, all that shit, so I don't want to. We got the baler and the rake behind us. We're going to head up to Toby's place, and we're going to rake and bale some fucking hay this afternoon. And frankly, I just don't have time to fuck around with the camera anymore, so I don't know how much footage you're going to get. But we'll figure it the fuck out. You can see on that hillside up there, you can't even see a windrow like you can down here. It's this drought hay is going to be a tough fucking battle this year. Hopefully the last couple of places that we got hay to cut on are better than this. I think our corn's going to be hopefully be our saving grace, as long as we can keep the equipment together to get it, do something with it. But it's wind is fucking whipping today too. You can see the trees there. They're whipping around pretty good, making it pretty damn tough for the windrows to stay where they're supposed to. Whatever. So we got this to rake, and then we got to rake that little field across the road over there at Senior Squatch's place, and then we'll get the baler around and see if we can fucking wrap some twine around this shit yet. God, this end's getting rough. Fuck. It's that new seating not that long ago, but motherfucker, it got rough now. Oh. The ground is so hard right now, it's fucking ridiculous. Usually, most years this is pretty soft down here. It stays pretty wet, kind of gets a little bit of swamp grass growing in it. Well, now with this fucking drought we've had for the last 2 years, fuck, it's just miserably fucking rough. So I guess this is the year to do correction on this field anyway, but we may as well just do it all. Battery's dead. Hey, there you go. Well, fuck. So I'm cruising around raking hay, and I'm like, God damn, you know, fucking, it's warm out today, but that fucking air conditioning ain't keeping up. So, kept plugging away, and I get through most of it, and I'm like, fuck, I gotta look at this thing. So then I jump out and happen to look, well, fucking belt's all flopping loose and shit. AC compressor's not spinning, so looks like we get to fix that today. Yay for fucking me. Hopefully, it's gonna be a relatively easy fix. We just gotta tighten the belt. The tensioner on there kinda ain't worth a fuck anymore, so there's that. And fuck it. Fucking wrench. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. So she's, well, it fully slid back anyway, but she's flopping all over. Our fan's good. That's not loose, so that's kind of nice. Get this I'll get this fucking pry bar in here somewhere. We gotta slide that fucking, hold on, I'm gonna need two hands. Oh yeah. How's that for your minty ass? Well, that's not enough, is it? Oh, we gotta turn that so it slides up where it needs to be. Is that gonna work? Oh, yeah, it might. It might. Oh yeah! Before she was slipping like a son bitch, and you can see the belt just going fucking in there flopping. Yeah. So, we got most of this hay raked today, but it's getting blown around pretty good. The wind's gusting, blowing shit around. It's not the best, it's not the prettiest, but we're gonna see if we can wrap some fucking twine around it, make it into feed. So, this morning, in interest of efficiency, you see, we went and welded that receiver in the back of the baler there. I guess you'd call it the axle. It's not really an axle because it doesn't continue out to the wheels. It's just a fucking round cross member. So we put that on there so we can put the hitch in, and then we can pull the rake behind the baler, and that makes things a little bit more efficient. That sticks up above the discharge ramps, but it's not enough that it should hurt anything. If it does, well then fuck. But that's there, so it'll basically cuts out one trip if we're going to try to move equipment around. Usually we're not moving all three at the same time because we're trying to cut ahead of the baler and the rake. Try to. Doesn't always happen, but we try. If I didn't have that job thing, I could probably do it a hell of a lot easier, but whatever. Not making excuses, I'm just giving you facts. So let's get the baler hooked up and see if we can fucking make a mess with that. Good. Alright, I guess we'll see how this goes now. Fucking late hay. Sometimes it's a bastard to get the bale to start on. right away. Trying to go on this side over here where it's a little bit. That's what I was afraid of. There it went. I was gonna have to back it up and unplug it there. It's so dusty. It's so, all that fine dust that's in it because it's so dry. Especially on the first bale. God, it makes it fucking, it makes it hard to start it. Usually once you get the first bale started, then it's not so bad. Unless we get into this really fucking waxy June grass. And there's plenty of that too, so we'll have to really watch how we're starting the bales and do a little bit of that. Hopefully we don't have any trouble. We got work to do on this baler yet. I always got work to do on the fucking thing, but I didn't get a chance to finish everything. I wanted to get this done today. I got to get on to the next field, so it's going to be a lot of late nights fixing fucking equipment again. Whatever. Fucking glad we're not baling on an open station tractor today, because that would fucking suck. You'd be washing fucking hay chaff out of the crack of your ass for a week. So far we got a couple of bales and the AC's working fucking minty. She's nice and cold now, so. And I see Squatch is headed up here at the fucking Kubota. Like he might actually fucking do something today. Must be what, 2 o'clock in the afternoon, I suppose. Oh, 4:30, he probably just woke up. So we got 2 bales so far, which isn't, well, it's 2 more than we had before. It's only gonna get worse from here, I can tell you, because baling this shit out here is gonna be a fucking joke, but whatever. Maybe I should have just tilled it in for fucking green manure, but I didn't. So now we're gonna bale it, because I'm an idiot. Alright, so in interest of giving you fuckers a high quality video today, we're gonna stuff another GoPro into the fucking baler. So, at the end, toward the end of the bale, I'm gonna jump out, throw this thing in a fucking windrow, then we're gonna bail this son of a bitch up, and we'll see if it can survive through it, and we'll dig it back out of the bale and see what the fuck happens. Alright, so we're in decent haste, so this shit's gonna happen fast. We got this one ready to go. All I gotta do is hit the record button here. And we're gonna stop just short. Well, that's gonna be this windrow or the next one. She's filling fast. She's filling fast. Grab that. Grab this. Gotta make sure we're recording. Okay, we're recording. Good riddance. Okay. Now we're gonna put you there, you watch for it. I heard it go in. Let's go see if we can find it. Even Squatch is coming to see. Did you hear it go in? I'm pretty sure it popped that bastard, but
oh, here's the case.
oh!
Oh,
there's a camera.
Oh, wow.
Can we get the card? We just gotta know if we get the card or not.
I heard it go whack.
Yep, we got the card. Fucking mint. That's the rear screen.
You could probably put the door back on that and still use it. It didn't scratch the lens at all.
Guess what? That fucker's still recording. Look at.
Oh shit. Oh yeah, I can see the light.
Holy fuck, it's still recording. That's fucking awesome.
That's kind of a testament to that thing, really.
I gotta say. Jesus.
Yeah, look, you can see the light inside there flashing.
Yep.
Yeah, that thing's still powered up.
She's still fucking on.
Holy fuck.
Fucking mint. Well, we got the SD card. That's what I was going for. Sweet.
I was hoping to find it in the bale, though.
Yeah. There. These do have a rechangeable battery, so we take battery out just to for good measure, but well, she went through the fucking baler.
the rest of it.
There's the carnage. There's the rear screen, which it looked like it just unplugged it. It does look like it just unplugged it. Whatever. Well, that's for you assholes, but I'm not showing you that on this video. You're gonna have to watch a separate video when we go try to fucking retrieve that data, because, well, that's the only thing that's left. I gotta get back to Baler. You remember what I said about this shit getting a little dry and getting stuck in there? Plugging up? Well, we plugged the fucking thing up. I think if I just back it off a little bit, we'll be able to get her to go. I hope. I think. We might. Maybe could. That could. Find that. That's that. out to back to the farm. We're done with fucking hay at Squatch field for now. If we get some rain and we get some second crop, obviously we'll be back up there. Otherwise, that's it. That's a wrap. We got field work and all kinds of shit to do up there, but hay season 2021, I think, is a wrap. At least first crop at Squatch residence. Yeah, wow. I think tomorrow I'm going to cut another piece, another property, possibly two. Depends on how things go. So if you guys like what I'm doing, throw me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and all that other shit that's down there. I do appreciate it, and we'll fucking see you on the next one.